Hi guys, how are you all? So today we are going to have a lecture on Oxford Progressive English for grade 2. We are going to do unit 1 lesson 4 sentences. Activity number A, use my, your, his, her, their or to fill the blanks. So you are going to use these words to fill these blanks. Example, Uncle Umar, I love my crocodiles, they are nice. Uncle Umar says that he loves his crocodiles, they are nice. Crocodiles are nice. He used they for the crocodiles, that crocodiles are nice. Then Auntie Farida replied, well, I don't like dash crocodiles. Please take them away. Auntie Farida is talking to Uncle Omar and she's talking about his crocodiles. So what will she say? Well, I don't like your crocodiles. She's saying Uncle Omar that she don't like his crocodiles. So, well, I don't like your crocodiles. Please take them away. She don't like crocodiles and she wants Uncle Umar to take those crocodiles away. Okay? Next, Uncle Umar says why. He's confused that why Auntie Farida don't like his crocodiles. Auntie Farida says Grandma is afraid they will eat dash cat. Auntie Farida tells that Grandma was afraid that the crocodiles are going to eat her cat. Okay? Auntie Farida is talking about grandma's cat, so she'll use her. Grandma is afraid that they will eat her cat. Okay. Uncle Omar asks why. He's confused that why Auntie Farida don't like his crocodiles. Auntie Farida replies, Grandma is afraid that they will eat Dash cat. Auntie Farida is telling that Grandma is afraid that the crocodiles are going to eat her cat. She are going to use her over here. Okay. Grandma is afraid they will eat her cat. Uncle Omar says nonsense. He gets angry. He says nonsense. Auntie Frida, Grandpa thinks they will frighten away Dash friends. They will frighten away his friends. Auntie Frida is talking about Grandpa, so his friends. Uncle Omar says the crocodiles stay in the pond. The crocodiles stay in Dash pond. So now over here, Auntie Frida is telling that Grandpa is afraid they are going to frighten away his friends, and Grandma is afraid that they will eat her cat. So Uncle Omar gets angry. He says nonsense, and then he says the crocodiles stay in that. Uncle Omar is trying to explain her that the crocodiles will stay in their pond, but Auntie Frida says we don't like crocodiles in our garden, and Uncle Omar says it's my garden too. He thinks that the garden is equal for both of them, so the crocodiles are going to stay over there. Now read the conversation with your friend. So now your friend is not available at your home, so you are going to read this conversation with your mother. Okay. Activity number B, look at the table about Tom's family. Okay, in this table you can see there are four-person Tom, Tom's mother, Tom's father, and Tom's sister. This table is explaining about Tom's and his family's interest. Like Tom loves to draw, ride bicycle, and read. Tom's mother loves to sing, and she loves to draw, and she loves to read. Tom's father loves to sing, and he loves to ride bicycle, and he loves to read. Tom's sister loves to sing, draw, and read bicycle. She don't loves to read. So in this picture you can see she's Tom's mother, she's drawing. He's Tom's father, he is reading a newspaper. He is Tom and his sister, they both are cycling. So write sentences about what they do and do not like to do. Example, Tom likes drawing, riding a bicycle, and reading. He does not like singing. So you have to write about Tom's mother that she loves to sing and draw, and she loves to read, but she does not like to ride bicycle. Similarly, you have to write about Tom's father and Tom's sister. So activity number C, what does your friend likes to do? Example, my friend likes dash, he or she does not like this. Okay, in this you must know that what your friend likes to do and what or he or she does not like to do. Like my friend likes to read, and she does not like to swim. Yeah, I know she does not like to swim and she likes to read. So now you have to write over here what your friend likes to do and what he or she does not likes to do. Activity number D, write about what do you like to do. Example, I like dash, I don't like dash. Okay, so like I like to ride bicycle and I don't like to sing. I like to ride bicycle and I don't like to sing. Similarly, you have to write about what you love to do and what you love not to do. Okay. Okay, so we have covered unit number 1, lesson 4, sentences of grade 2. I hope you love the video. If you love the video, then thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You want a lecture on some specific topic, comment below the video or DM me on Instagram. IDs above your screen. So share the video. I'll meet you tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Allah Hafiz.